Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So I'm about to make some oxtail pumpkin soup. This is just gonna be a appetizer for Christmas dinner. I decided to go with a Caribbean theme. You guys know I don't make these recipes many times out of the years because they take a long time to make and they take a lot of work. So let's get into the recipe. First, you already know I'm going to wash my oxtails. Look at the limes that's all over the sink. I can't, wash your oxtails up, get it ready to go. So that's the oxtail nice and cleaned. I had leeks left, so I'm going to add the leeks down into the soup. This is the squash that I'm using. I'm using ACORN squash. If you can't find leeks or don't like them, you can use onions. So this is what everything looks like. You're also going to need some fresh thyme. I have it in an oriental mix, so I'm going to use that. You'll need water and broth. So I'm just going to add the acorn squash because that's most important, as well as the oxtails. That's what's going to give the soup its body. So you want to add that down in there. Once that's down in there and going and being pressured, I'm going to cut up all the other vegetables. Like I said, you guys, Caribbean dishes, they take a lot of work, but they're worth it in the end. They're super delicious. So, once a year is nothing. So then you're going to add the broth and, of course, the whole entire bottle of water. Season this with salt and pepper. I used Spicy Girl and a little bit of salt. And I clicked it and let it go, just like this. These are the vegetables, the rest of it. You have scallions, you have the Caribbean sweet potato, you have the chayote, you have carrots, the habanero. Y'all, it took me 30 minutes to chop all this stuff up. I removed the squash from the pressure cooker once it was done, and I mashed it and took the skin off. So then you want to return the vegetables, add the vegetables to the broth, as well as you want to take the meat off the oxtails, which I did off camera. That's the squash I put back down in there once I took the skin off. You want to add just like this. You see the meat all off the bone. You want to take it off and get it nice and ready to go so it could be distributed throughout the soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I know this video was short. However, the entire ingredient list will be in my description box, as well as little tips on how to get through making this soup. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.